How is this possible? Top 3 scary and unexplained finds in the desert. Our planet didn't always look like this. We are used to seeing her on the globe more. 175 million years ago, there existed on Earth supercontinent Pangaea as a result. Collapse Africa, South America, Australia, Hindustan, and Antarctica. All this happened after. Intracontinental rift systems developed into Atlantic and Indian oceans. Now in East Africa, something similar is happening in Africa, gradually splits into 2 parts. Northern Ethiopia to central Mozambique, a large rift formation called
Easterner Rift. Rifts form in the
result of the separation of 2 tectonic slabs. The Rift Valley is moving apart at a rate of several centimeters per year. According to these data, scientists suggest that the separation of East Africa from mainland will occur in 3-4 million years. Now the width of the fault reaches 100 kilometers and a depth of 1,000 meters. As a result of what is happening in the rift zone, the Red Sea is forming a new oceanic crust, and after separation, East Africa should appear here. New ocean. Lizards, snakes, and camels in the desert. Surprise no one, but here is a school of fish, splashing in the sand in the middle of the desert. More like mirage. Only the footage from this video is real. The author of the video says that he didn't believe it. With my own eyes, when I saw more than enough. Number of small fish, all. What was happening reminded him of 10 Egyptian plagues described in the Bible. This is unusual. The phenomenon occurred in Pakistan after floods in 2022. Good in the footage. You can see a stream of 1 million fish moving along the sand, after which it becomes noticeable. A small amount of water. It seems that heavy rains have caused water bodies were overflowing, and the water spread to the desert, taking fish with him. However, it still remains unclear where it came from, such an incredible number of fish, because the nearest bodies of water are too small. Invasion. Fish in the desert can be called real. A miracle, the nature of which can be explained. Almost impossible. Sandy desert landscapes of Namibia, decorated with fancy circles, representing plots of land with recess inside. At each circle, there is no vegetation, while at the edges they are covered with dry grass. Diameter of magic circles varies from 2 to 15 meters. It's amazing that they disappear and appear again in the same place. Local residents made up legends about it. Amazing phenomenon according to which circles are traces of the gods descended to the ground. Scientists in the queue puzzled for a long time and did not understood the nature of this phenomenon. According to them, believed that magic circles could have appeared as a result of attempts at self-regulation, plants under drought conditions. Another one. The theory suggested that in death, plants are to blame for termites feeding roots. The latest research by scientists helped them arrive at the most accurate, explaining the formation of mysterious circles. They assumed it was spurge. Colonized the sand plains during more favorable climate in conditions. Severe drought, the plants died, but left juice in the soil, which retains its toxicity over a long period of time. During the observation, scientists also found out that after the rains inside the circle, new grass sprouts quickly, dies. Soil analysis from magic, circles, and from under dead plants. Milkweed confirmed their similarity in phytochemistry, which means that young plants died due to poisoning. Toxic soil is a study made it possible not only to understand the nature magic circles, but also discover new ones in other deserts.